Yes, yeah man, States, Nib, yeah man, and Brazil. And Brazil for life, see me. That's a bit, yeah man, that's a bit, this is the team on my back. I come on to World Cup football. Brazil. See me have a Brazil outfit them, see me. Yeah man, as I say, as usual, what kind of draw closer because I show me this morning. I just done my workout, you know. Just done my workout on the beach. Yeah man. So I start my morning because of sports in my blood and football in my blood from a boy until now. So I go draw closer to the thing and make a speech. Because I keep the I don't want to share the day up on the beach because boy when the sun turn up in a brother. Can't put the phone and don't speech out in the sun then a while because it's a chip out the thing. Because it's so hot, me and tell you brother. What me I say now? Because as a Michael Molly I say right you know, because sometimes when I say when I have time to speech, I go overboard. So I say me time nothing. I don't want to talk too long still, brother. I don't want to talk too long. But you see me, brother? Yesterday, I posted something for my content and for the Voice of Bedmiller. By the way, I tell you good morning. Good morning all viewers for the Voice of Bedmiller. Excuse me manners, that's what I stay now. Tell me, see me always have love to tell good morning, you know, because, yeah man, because manners carry through the world, every manners. What I say now, because I kind of feel more confident now and can outline my speeches there. As I say, I'm not a fluent speaker. I don't know nobody to speak for me. It's like Moses, because I know my Bible, you know. One thing if you know, say I know my Bible, enough to me know, you know. Everybody have born Jesus nowadays, then say Jesus and nothing real, but one thing about Jesus are the words that Jesus speak. The words are in the Bible. Live on. Even if the Bible want fairy tale book I want to talk about, but the words what the man want them Jesus speaking in the Bible. I hit me live by. So no matter what name they want to call a person, the Son of God, the words when put out, keep I alive and I want to keep I upon certain foolishness. So no pastor man and no politician can't brainwash me against my fellow human beings. Alright. Because if you know want Bible class, I can go to Bible class. But I shouldn't see me and see me at church Saturday and Sunday. 7th Adventist church right in front of my yard. Sunday I plan to give them a visit, you know, but sometimes I just, yeah, because I have all the LNG white them books. I have all the LNG white book. The forerunner of the 7th Adventist movement. And I read Triumphs of God Love, Desires of Ages, Acts of the Apostle, Patriots and Prophets and Kings. The whole LNG white book, I read them. Yeah man, so I know what I talk about. I read Daniel and the Revelation, all of them books where the Adventist people them portrait. Because I know it's all stand for the Sabbath and them people that study a lot. But I not go up on the Bible thing now still. Because as I say, I know what I know. I mean, how I know that may be the man I am today. Jesus, the Son of God. No matter because we all are sinners and come short of the glory. And go one perfect man who are the earth here. And that's it. And not Jesus, the Son of God. So, all the way have sins and do things. Because if Michael man did any wrongs, everybody did any wrongs. See, I got any wrongs. No man is perfect. But only thing for we come to acknowledge, acknowledge God, and for we know right is right, and we know for every man upon his brothers and sisters. So politics can't divide me and nobody. We speak the truth. And so I don't really preach now. To the Sabbath, I don't really preach. I don't preach no more and talk about what happened yesterday. What happened yesterday really on the bicycle. Because if you know the thing, I want to post about things, so I go stop video and take pictures of football games again. Because boy, I can't get to enjoy the games the man's of football. I just go and match. And I sit and watch ball game. And that was the plan for the yesterday. So I go and match yesterday. You know, see it. That's why the content I'm having about that, you know, we cannot change the content, you know. And put a different caption pan, you know. You know, see it. Can I catch some, put a caption on about all Rambo, who dissed me last year and my father bring him down. Jesus bring Rambo down to nothing. I mean, I want to touch upon the case from film case again, man. I talk about him too much. I have nothing against the brother, but as I say, when you come on to schoolboy football and deal with youngsters, Rambo have a clue. Rambo have a clue. Yes, as I said, I go back to the match yesterday now. I go match yesterday, but I say, I video no game, I watch game now. I did it on the sideline. I said, boy, you know, I shouldn't video because it's a match of a high scoring match, you know, because the way Alan turn up and we on Nip ball, them fire up. Because then lose other day, they don't come out firing. And if Alan turn up them way there, enough goal go down and score. Some say, I take up my camera now and so come rain start fall. So I put it back in because I can't make the rain damage. Because when I say camera, my phone, a phone I use right now. All the work with camera again, actually phone I use. And I know if you can go up on social media and say how expensive at 23 ultras and at 24 ultras. So maybe protect them. Nothing want people know to me have them phone because man all one can rob you and take your phone from you. Because then TV S10 Plus a EX show going, you know. I'm not talk about that, you know. Then TV S10 Plus a EX show going, you know. You look at things I have 23 ultra in my pocket. I have S10 Plus and my charge and so forth. EX show going another day. And I see I have my pouch for me and it was missing. I don't know why it's missing, but it was missing. All the call, you know, see me can't get an answer to it. So them gone with that. I find myself with a 24 ultra now. Better phone, more upgrade for me. So if you know me, someday you can't talk with you off pan you. Come on, want come grab you. You know, see it. So what I say? What I talk about now? You see, when time the game start, the rain a fall and I say bam, nip gone one. I not catch the first goal. Because the rain just done stop, just done fall. And I say, boy, show me now like how I take out on camera, brother. And when I say need build up the second goal, when I say when something there, when Dino scored the second goal, I say, well, I want free kick, you know. When the man them set the play and Dino and then pass the ball through and Dino go score. I say, what a goal, brother. I shouldn't have the goal, you know. And I say, sure, I go video the game, brother, because I had enough goal to score. And when I see Jaja line up behind the free kick, I say, no, brother. No, brother, I can't. No, brother, this youth has scored 3 goals so far, 3 free kick. At that time, I start video the match down, see what's name. I said, no, brother, phone never take out, brother, match of a video by man, yo. But I now video the game straight. I go video the attacking players, them, just like I used to work for Isami the last year. I really play the attack, you know. I capture me just record the attacking part, you know, and stop, you know. I just record and stop. I used to send go give my brethren in a seat. Send Andre put them together. Big up yourself, Andre, big up yourself, Jacko, and big up yourself, seat. My name Sulu. I want him. Big up the man from Issa Media. Was nice work with you last year. You know Issa Media still a go on. So I say I go do those. What I do yesterday, I say I go do it like how me used to do for Issa Media. Because I say when Judge line up to take a free kick, you know, we took out the phone fast and put it together, you know. Come see me catch it center. And when Judge make it 3, when Judge score the 3rd goal, I just start capture all the goals after that. All the goals after that. Only the 8th goal me never did get. Goal number 8 after that because I don't know what I do and something when me record it and I go pause it something and because through my face and same time I go pause it and same time nip score. I go stop it and same time nip score the 8th goal. But the goal of all goals are the last goal and nip score. I'm glad to me catch it. I'm glad to me decide to go video the game. Even just the action part alone. When you look up in the seat, and I talk about, you know, when you look at number 11, 12-year-old, you know, in the seat, in playing the first day match, you know, because This is the hallmark of a good coach. That me say, it's a Nib school coach named Jerry. You know, busy one wants about Jerry, you know. Although Nib I reach certain stage and I drop out, you know, but Jerry is a good coach. With youngsters. A few coach can motivate youngsters and bring youngsters to our levels. Jerry is a good coach. Cassman with youngsters, Cassman, Jasper Williams is a good coach in command to youngsters. And because Cassman never used to get the support that Jerry I get now, you know. And that people understand that Cassman, Jasper is a good coach, you know, with youngsters, you know. Paul Teagat Davis. Now watch what going on see. Just give him some more time. Paul Teagat Davis is a good coach when command to youngsters and plus strikers. The forward, the one of the score goal. Because they want Teagat. They want Teagat when Teagat boss Fuller. When Fuller in the 8th grade. In the year 2000. When Teagat make Fuller play. They make Fuller play for Nib. In the 8th grade. They put him on the field. They look like one little short shit so Fuller. Just like our baby Patta when small. As a Fuller the small. And Teagat play him. And Fuller played 2001. And by 2002 Fuller lead Nib school to the Dakar Cup final. Fuller and Blacks and Bulby and Leng, the whole of them man there. You know see it? Yes. Because Teagat bust Fuller when in a 8th grade and Nib. Just like how Jerry the boss little boy them. So me tell you, we can mix up the match yesterday with that States football. With them so-called coach when they have done the one in Rambo. I don't want to talk about him, you know, because boy, when I talk about him, it was so like important, you know. On the levels, you know, because boy, I tell you, as well I say, you see when time, I say, when you look back on the goal, come here post you upon me, on the voice of Baby the last night, because I think it's all about sports, you know. Become like all choices. All choices love sports, but in chat some politics more time and chat certain things are going on. But I don't want to know the politics thing, but I just speak my mind about Michael Manley and how I feel the leaders, them, what they do. So I get involved. Because I'm anti-vax. You know, see it. And I vote for PMP because of this. I vote for PMP because this is a man who want to do to the people. This is a man who loving people. And put things in place for youngsters. Yes. So I go back to I mix everything, you know, politics, football, and all, because that's what I talk about, you know. So I go back to the youth. Baby Patta, a film goal, a goal of all goals. And the goal of Baby Patta scored yesterday. You understand me? I'm glad to see me catch it. Because I want the little boy, I'm glad to see him father, they are every match, and him father support him. Because when I play football in major, there was no father around me. And my mother couldn't get to come and match. You can have too much trouble if you take care of her. Yeah, man. So all the parents, them, when you find your son good pan sports, good pan football and tracks, support them. Support them. I'm glad to me catch a goal yesterday. I want 12-year-old youth that, you know. 12-year-old, you know. I play Dakar Cup, you know. And the goal with the 12-year-old youth score, you know. I want 12-year-old youth assist him, you know. I want 12-year-old youth get the part. When Dino get the other little boy the ball, I want 12-year-old that to me get if you understand, you know. I must have 8th grade in that too, you know. Iman, because I know field name. But Baby Patta and him come up on the field the same time. The little boy they can play football too. The youth who assist Baby Patta. Look on the goal, the 12-year-old little boy score. 12-year-old that, you know. Baby Patta. Yeah, man. Remind me of me and Bumpy and Jasbo and Hero and the whole of it. Because if we went to high school at 12-year-old, we couldn't play D-Cup same way. We couldn't play D-Cup at 12-year-old. We could have come off a bench like Baby Patta and score a goal same way. Because when we were 12-year-old, we play corner league. Man like me and Bumpy, me know who else was to play corner league. With the man him twice your age. Because I used to play for Jablocks. With my uncle Zai Cruyff, with Bunches, with Cena Bones, Bobby Reds. You know see it. And what again? Coastline. I be say Willow. Me the lookless. Me have a picture of the lookless youth at the time I'm about 12-year-old. Them put me on. Me no start you know. Them put me on the field just like them put on Baby Patta yesterday on the field you know. I saw you boss 12-year-old youngsters. We have youngsters, have them talent there. Them can be a part of the League Cup side. Put them on the bench. Me not get the feelings and the vibes to see how they feel. Because I say Baby Patta cry Tuesday, you know, when them lose, you know. And I say Baby Patta yesterday happy, you know. I see your boss youngsters, brother. Me address the matter there if you come to this. Because you see all through the tenure of Rambo. You see Rambo, when Rambo took over state side from 20 stage should not win every Dacaster Cup from 2012 until now. From Rambo took over the side from 2012. Every Dacaster Cup stage should have won. Yes. Because Rambo no boss youngsters and Rambo don't protect younger ballers them. I think I'm going to go see and prove for myself. You understand me? And that's what I say. Look, I'm going to draw one instance. You see, 014, when I start going on state side 014, the first match, because when time I does, then try to kill me at Trelawny, I go send to go cool out and start going state football 014. And the first match I watch 014 with state and Monroe. And his little short, thick youth when they on the bench, when him Starry. You see him Starry, we come win the Dacaster Cup States 2015. 2014, first match Monroe and something there. Monroe and Starry come off the bench and put him on as forward. Him and Rico when they play forward in time. Rico will go for Starry and Rico no give Starry and all them sitting there. In a seat. And when because Starry on the bench, you know. And when the commission and when the D Cup commission progress, when you see Starry none at all on the side. In a seat. Then Rambo send back Starry under 16. And during the time the States under 16 side of a player named Bembem, because it's Bembem that play under 16 match. And I say, me want it, George. All this youth and play on the D Cup side. Or Bembem now play on the D Cup side. And Bembem better than enough for the man on the D Cup side in the better. I don't know why Bembem need play for States from 2014, you know. Because Bembem and Starry who gone back under 16. Then the Bembem went up on the bench before under 16 start, but Rambo send him back under 16. And have some big man on him side who can't angle ball, but because they're big, you have them because play a big man Rambo around him. Because you can check from Dark Pan and Scabba, all of the man there a good baller, you know. But you have some big man around him who Rambo up on his squad, don't know nothing at all about football. That's why 2014. Because you know, so Rico went dangerous baller. Rambo went love Rico because Rico went good baller. I already love Rico. Rico went dangerous. Let me tell you. I mean, I say, the man always tell Rambo say, Rico go do things and that's what people, that's some people say, because you can't rely upon Rico alone. Because Rico go, something will happen to Rico and so said, so done. Nobody ever did wish it, as some hear people when they say. And when Rico get red card in the semi-final against Dintil, State did win, you know. And Rico couldn't play the final. At the same time, Gio went get injured in the semi-final too. Gio couldn't play the final, and that's why 2014, when State beat up Kleinland College in the Ben Francis final, and you see it. Rico win a play and Gio didn't win a play. And when Kleinland College Walway in the final, we don't have a clue. Because when Rico out and Gio out, there was nobody to replace them. You know, see it. A biter who was the captain in time, they might try use Bite as forward. And in time, you have youth like Bem and Starry. Couldn't go 15 for Rico and Gio. Bem couldn't play for States from 2014. Bem shouldn't play on 16. Bem and Starry shouldn't play. Come in and talk much. What I'm telling you, say, the downfall of States footballer right now. You know, see, words like when Mr. Dino on the side, on the face, say, that's what I say, Rambo don't bust youngsters. Rambo never did like youngsters. Rambo a wolf in a sheep clothing come on to young baller. I try now. He don't have the intellect and certain things. Yeah man. The psychological beliefs and the psychological input to inspire young footballers. Like, you know, see it. Because it's Jerry, the same coach of the Nip. If States have a coach like Nip coach, with all them facilities when you have down there. You know, see it. States are they advance. Because the facility what Jerry have. Jerry have no dormitory. We players stay upon the split state right through the D-Cup season. Because Jerry same players them go home sometime and sometimes try to get them. When they will enter zone 1 and second round, they try to get them to stay at one place. All the States ball them stay one place right through the season. So you can monitor them. Especially the time when you have smartphone and all them sitting there. Them stay up on the dam and then feed them. The facilities there, they can train at night time 24/7. We say States should we never that Costa Cup. Because everything done at States. If Jerry and the man and Tiga to the man, if all the man, them good coaches have the facilities what States have. You know, see it. But States down on coach, brother. States down on coach who can motivate you. A pay phone is the one who keep up. One who can put football in a position. Me can talk on and on. Because I can't call Starry name, you know. Because Starry tell me, when I call Starry name, I don't talk about nothing bad, you know. Starry tell me personally, say, I'm Mr. D, make them win the Costa Cup. Respect to what Rambo do, you know. Respect to what, you know, bash Rambo, you know, because the man support Rambo same way. But the man say, I'm Mr. D at the instrumental thing when they win the Costa Cup. Because Starry tell me, say, 5 o'clock in the morning time, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning time, Mr. D take him and Didi out of them bed. And put them on the field. And them kick after goal. In a 5 o'clock in the morning when him barely can see the goal. I saw Mr. D take him and Didi. Starry and Didi the main goal scorer them 2015. Mr. Dunzwell are the mastermind, the intellect, who can bring up youth and motivate youth and talk to youth. In a 2014, when time States reach when Rico can play and Gio can play and Bite they play forward. Then put on one you up on the field when him China man. I must have Rambo friend that too. Then put on I first never got one D-Cup final and you put on a man on the field. And never take out they have to take out back China man off of the field. You make a substitute and have a substitute the substitute. Because I don't know what the man they I be virgin them still, you know, but I don't know what the man they do, you know, we have man for under 16, better than the League players them. In a 2014, you have man on the under 16 side, better than the man on the League side. And so sometimes I want to waste of time to talk about, I will States are the best still, you know. Because I go follow States football, and I go follow Nip School football. Because I just love it. Because look at things, I was there yesterday. To see a part of history. I don't make no money outside, but I just do it for the youth them. I'm going to continue to do it. Probably I'm going to video the entire matches them. I'm going to do it like I used to do for Issa Media. I just sketch the action part when goal is scored. Because I can't take pictures again. You still pictures again. But when the goal is scored, what a beautiful goal they got 12-year-old school, brother. If the little boy there, this little boy was scored yesterday, if him there States, him can't get no game. He can't take a field. He have to go play on a 14 first and a 16 first. Because same time when they bring Stone, come on, to come help out Rambo. Stone will not know Magati come help out Rambo. All the Stone can do, I put harder than the dam. When I tell Stone, say you like Neymar for the on the bench in a seat. You can bring on Neymar and make him get the feel of the thing. And Neymar was a very outstanding baller at film age. Neymar could sit down on the bench 2018 and feel the vibes and come on when States win by a big margin. You're going to put on Neymar and make him go and feel the vibes. If no one send him back on 40 and 60, no problem. Make Neymar roll on the bench. You know what Stone said to me? Neymar have to go to the transition. Neymar have to play on 14 and on 16 before he can come on the D-Cup squad. Before he can sit down on the bench. Because of Stone, why Neymar get fed up on Stone, and Neymar no problem. No? That's why Neymar start behave certain way. No? Because Stone come here about Neymar. Because remember them wait Neymar. You know? And Stone come messed up Neymar. He must say Neymar have to play on 14 and 16 before he can play Dakar Star Cup. Before he can go up on the bench on the Dakar Star Cup team. Neymar shouldn't play fan. I bet Neymar will play on under 14 or 18. Neymar shouldn't play under 14. Neymar shouldn't play even under 16. Give him more challenge. And Neymar shouldn't dip on the bench, sit down. With the man that in a seat at them age there. Just like how me when dip on the bench. With the bigger man, the man feel the vibes and feel important and love the vibes. Because nobody now watch under 14, nobody now watch under 16 and D-Cup the crowd gather. So when you're young, so they come off a bench and people they say, put on age and put, yeah man, you feel the vibes. Because you see all baby Patta. When baby Patta touch the field, everybody can for the first match baby Patta they play now. For the first match against Mushet, you know. Jerry put on a little youth there, the two little boy them, you know. And him almost score against Mushet. Come here people and say, boy, after the first match I want to see you score. Everybody win happy for the little boy. How him feel special. So he go just go into the game more and go take him football serious. I saw the boss youth. I saw the boss youngster. I know you could hear that coach will talk about man, young boy never play because age don't play football, brother. Age don't play football. How the youth can hang the ball on the field, can protect him ball, and you can kick the football. If age didn't play football, King Pele, because Pele a man king for football, you know. Big up the Messi fan them. Big up who want Messi and Argentina. But me a Brazilian fan because of King Pele. Just like we support PMP because of Michael Manley. We support Brazil because of King Pele. Because I see a black man, the greatest baller in the world. I play a black man to play for Brazil. Me is no racist, you know. Me no racist, you know. But me can't understand. Me never see a black man play for Argentina yet. So big up the Argentina fans them say me. Because Messi right now, I rule football. But Pele the king for football for me. Because me read Pele autobiography. And Pele play professional. Pele come from a poor family. I go to a Christian family because most of them man they although them believe in Jesus. Most of them country, the Brazilian country, them believe, and Pele was a poor man. Come from a poor family, see me. I read Pele autobiography, him life story. Pele play professional football when I'm 15-year-old. No schoolboy football, you know. Professional football for Santos when I'm 15-year-old. Pele play World Cup when I'm 17-year-old. I got the youngest man in time to score a World Cup final. When Brazil win. He scored 2 in the final. Must have 52 or so forth. But I'm saying this, we're saying that, brother. When I see youngsters like our baby Patta have such talent, stadium and playground can't too much for them. I want people to know, say, it's a God who we support and Jesus who we support in all for sports. Because sports can unify people. Sports bring happiness. Sports bring discipline to your body. Because God always in church, you know, because God don't come to church, you know, God come from people, you know. But some man of the Christian people feel say, if you don't go to church, you feel say God not support you and God not and like, you know, Christian and this and that. You know, see it. I'm not Christian, brother. Yeah, but I'm a Gadian. I'm a Gadian. I believe in the Son of God. I believe in Jesus. Jesus, I know him as. Some people call him Jesus, but we just call him Jesus because we popular, we know him as Jesus. And the name of the man, you know, are the word of the man speaking, you know. Are the word of the man, you know, the word, you know. What shall always live on, you know. So you can burn the name, but you can't burn the word. Because most of the Rasta man, them who don't believe in Jesus, burn Jesus, but the same word them quote. What the man speak. Are the word, brother. The word is love. And that me and tell us say Jesus God raise up in people him in a sports. Usain Bolt is a perfect example. You see him Usain Bolt will come out of Jamaica and make you proud. And no nothing significant can name and find. All them know we have Usain Bolt money. Our political leaders them and them friends them. Because you can't call them because they go and sue you if you talk about certain things. I see him sit a man them. You see what Andrew Owens are going with, I see him sit a man them deal with both thing. I the same sit a man them who know to move money and move up both money. Some people are about trust. I know about I know we can't hear about how Bolt and the people their money go. Everything on acquired. They go to pay Bolt back your money smartly. That's our leaders stay. They can't see the reason why they fight for power so much. They can't see the reason why. Can I turn to politics now? They can't see the reason why Andrew the man fight for politics so much. They can't see the reason why Peter Phillips they want power so much during the COVID time. Him and Andrew Owens will call election for the people in a COVID because they want power. Because since I see report come out about Andrew Owens, and that's when they fight politics so much. And that's when the friends them fight the politics because they benefit out of it. When they go and rip off the people them and tricky people them. Because the people them believe in it so much. Till Andrew Owens tell people say God make vaccine and people go take vaccine. In bag of foolishness is there. Because they love man too much. When you can't see pass the man them because they love the man them too much. On the don't love on yourself. On the don't love on yourself, you know. On the Prime Minister don't love, you know. That's the whole longer we going to take vaccine, you know. And that me I talk about, I mean I sign out because I mix it up now, I no longer think going on, brother. But me say what the vibes I give me yesterday. I don't want to talk about I wish States all the best. Because if States win today, I'm not surprised. If States go advance, I'm not surprised. Because States suppose States, come and tell you something, people. The facility what States have done there, States will win every Doncaster Cup. Every Doncaster Cup what they keep now, States will win the whole of them. Because none of the facilities, none of the teams in Western Jamaica have the facilities what States have. None of them have dormitory in such a way where the players them, yeah, some of them have now, you know. A long time States have, you know, players the plan from the up season starts, players that left hand for the school compound. Them have States have gym, States have them farm if they want graze hog and chicken, you feed the ball of them. States have light pan and field. Everything States should win every Doncaster Cup from 2012 until now. Enough man left, enough man, enough of the youth them, no one play on a Rambo. Some of the parents them take away them youth and States because of Rambo. I don't know. I don't want to talk certain things. But him this me last year. I mean I have nothing against him, you know. I'm leaving to God on time. Just through me have a conversation. Can I tell you things, you know? Just through me have a conversation with one Irwin player. I'm telling him the facts and truth. Say boy, States now playing the ball. I'm at school but then I'm playing the ball right now. Come you see about Leo. In a Irwin and Cornwall matches, them go watch Irwin and Cornwall. I'm seeing some supporter they talk about Leo. And come from a poor family background and so forth. That's in support Leo and want Leo reach far in a football. I'm going to have a conversation with the ball. Because I know him have ability, a football and talent. I hope he can reach far and anything. I'm going to get the ball when I go speech. And the man go turn on the thing and talk about me a traitor, me a betray this and that's it. And we want to beat up Irwin or beat up Cornwall. I don't want sport. I don't want group and the man they talk about me or me this or me that. But genuine me knows that I love States. I just love States. You understand me? But I just give, I'm tell you the truth. When they beat up Irwin, beat up Cornwall, every man start jeering me, every man go on the most way. I'm going to leave everything unto God. And you see it? So when my goal is stop him, and when my goal stop him again, or when I have to resign from you know, because you need to carry something like Premier League, if he's a man on big coach. He have to resign from Treasure Beach. Treasure Beach go back at tier 2. That's what I say. Him diss me and God bring him right back down. I bury Rambo fan 019. And Mr. Keith Wellington always a resurrect him. Mr. Keith Wellington always a resurrect Rambo. So that's why my Rambo did it wrong, you know. Rambo take away the man happiness, the people happiness. The people are happy again. So when you can come out of the, me wish States all the best. Because States is supposed to be on 4th place in the stage competition now. A 9 nip drop yesterday. States can drop 9 today. Even if States can drop 9. Not Magati one side of States will beat up. You know, see, States need to start winning all their matches them. Keeping the coach when you have down there. But me don't talk, me tell every talk, I go to last me address the matter still. Me just there for matter now. As me say, me never go back to St. Elizabeth. A States where me go to St. Elizabeth, you know. And if people call me, I go down and do work, you know. But me always the format right, you know. Me there, format half on be a beach me there. You see me there. And I can spend the whole day there. Because I'm self-employed. I'm going to kill up myself through money. Because you see me now, I can't carry a castle. When I'm dead, I can't carry a castle with me now. When I'm dead, I can't carry a big car with me now. But when I'm dead, I have to know how I go, or my inner seat. I have to face my judgment amongst God. I believe in life everlasting. I don't believe I come to live down 3 scores and 10. But every funeral I go, I that then quote 3 scores and 10. Man for live for, according to Psalms, one verse in the Psalms. David who write Psalms. Jesus did tell us so. The works what him do are greater works we shall do, as long as we believe in him. I ain't do greater works, great works just like Jesus and greater works than Jesus. In them perilous time now. In the time when the devil don't will embed in the church again. The devil and the world leaders them. The rich people in the world, them the devil control the thing now. They don't business about the church again on the levels. Tell me, because I do a little preaching. You know, say people are going to force free worship on Sunday again. All who believe in the Sabbath and say Sunday day and the Sabbath thing. You know, say they come a leader who go force people to worship Jesus again. On Sunday. On the Sunday worship go enforce again. No way. Them people are far from God. Sunday worship not going to enforce again from people again. People far from God now. People that say don't Jesus don't exist. All you have to try to do and make people know say God exists, God's Son exists. They don't go quoting word, you know, but they don't believe in him, you know. They don't go the word live on, you know. Heaven and earth shall pass away, but not one of the not in earth shall not pass. And the word of the Son of God are fulfilled right now. You better believe that. In a seat. That's all I'm going to say. I close off by that. I'm have to close off by big up baby Patta. Big up baby Patta. When I see look baby, I want to go baby that. And the goal, what the local youth score, and the assist, it was assist by a 12-year-old teammate. Them are the youth for the future. Playgrounds can't too much with them youth there. Every playground in a Jamaica should fix up for the local youth them. Because we are talented set of people in our sports. Our sports garden on. You hear me? We start put sports in a school curriculum. Just like we tell you about doctors and lawyers. We have special subject for the sports pit to them. Because when we at school, we choose agriculture, you have 10 agri, you have 10 science, you have 10 arts, and you have 10 tech. You don't want 10 sports though. You have 10 sports. Because only youngsters that play sports, what play football, what play cricket, track and field, basketball, all them sitting there. Them man they make more money than doctors and lawyers. Them man they make more money than doctors. That's what the doctor man them create them COVID thing and all them sit and do them and do. If you make money, this world is all about making money. You hear me? So when you picnic can do sports good, but you say them guy want football academy. When you picnic can play football good, say them guy want football academy. Because if Mount Pleasant come about the place, and the Phoenix thing come about the place, the ball them get they improve. Sports is a profession. Football is a profession just like doctors and lawyers. So youngsters, when you can play football good, you take it serious. You balance it with the schoolwork because you make more money than doctors and lawyers and lawyers. Some of them don't like it. Especially doctors them. Some of them wishing you well, you know. But some of them medical doctors them, they know, yeah man, because sportsmen and women are entertainers too. In a seat, and entertainers too. So until the school them in a Jamaica can view sports different and put classes where you can get special classes where you can identify them with a good planning skill. You have them in a one football academy because I tell Mr. Keith Wellington say now. Me tell Mr. Keith Wellington already say now. Say no, say yeah, Mr. Dunswell can start a football academy at States. Yeah, Mr. D can teach you them football. Me tell Mr. Keith Wellington. And say and tell me say you know Mr. D go interested. I'm surprised for year when them have some football academy down at States there with Rambo. Yes. Certain things said but me tell the youngsters, baby Patta and look at 12-year assist him who take on football serious. Who got class, do no school work. I mean want the parents if you support them to look up all the young ball of them. Because some lot of parents they are much they take pictures and happy. Support the youngsters them when they come on to sports. Because sports man and woman make more money than doctors and lawyers. When we at school, when we used to go to school, we never told you the camera. When we used to go to school, then go and say I pay annually pitney play sports. Back in a few days. Pay annually pitney. Some of the teachers them jump on the wagon when we are very successful. That's why most of the schools them the sports pitney them get the most fight. Fancy my teachers them. They have to rate the sports pitney them. They don't go rate them when they reach such an extreme. Because no fun their name never did rate bolt. We all know that because my boy them and boy go to school together. I'm just take picture on the school when both they are nip. So I not to go on and on. I mix everything with sports and politics. Because that are the thing now, school by football and politics now. As I say. So all of the youngsters them who good at sports because everybody go good at it. You know see it. Yes. It's how much sponsorship the man get. From Puma, from Adidas and everything. Sports are the thing, brother. For you can do sports good, balance it with your schoolwork. Come to balance it with my schoolwork. Yeah, baby Patta, me was the brightest boy in a 9th grade. In a my 9th grade. Most a 9.4, I did in a 9.5. One of them the back in the day, the brightest boy in a 9th grade. The brightest boy in a 10 agri. I balance my schoolwork with my football. I done well during high school. I just sorry say I never did go back on the 83. And then my last year with Jasper them. Because when you're 18, you're a senior man, you're more experienced. I couldn't go back to school because my mother didn't afford to send me back to school. I couldn't hardly go to school. In a seat. When I was 17 years old, my last year was school by football. I'm going to hardly something I barely could make in school. To give thanks to Miss Lou. And sometimes I have to meet my brother Baba with the driver and van and get lunch money from him. And Baba to drop me at school. And nothing I go through. I mean, I really talk. But one day I go have my autobiography and my life story and put it together. Because I don't know who am I. I don't know who am I. But I am that I am. That's all me they say. You know, see, I am that I am. A man who love Jesus. Love Jesus. No matter what I want to say no exists, me just love Jesus. Me a Jesus pitney. Me might not go to church Saturday and Sunday, but me a Jesus pitney. Just like me a Michael Manley pitney. None of you can take Jesus away from me. And none of you can stop me from support Michael Manley. Because I say me don't vote for PMP. I don't vote for PMP, I vote for Michael Manley. Because Michael Manley is greater than the PMP. Greater than the PMP. That's all me I say. Who want to follow me, follow me. Who want to hate me, hate me. That's how things set. And the word is love. It's love according to Bob Marley. Me there on the beach and I can spend the whole day on the beach. Because I don't kill myself over money. Because I can't carry a big house and big car gone when I'm dead. I come to live as long as possible. I come to live for Jesus. I want to live for Jesus. Return. Him alone can have one world order. Him alone can have one world order upon this earth. Him alone can have it. And when he come, I go one world order. Who want to try to establish it, it's not going to work. But when Jesus return, I go be one world order. That's why if you learn, if you know, say, you be obedient. Because Jesus don't come pet and pump and turn on the cheek, man, you know. He might come rule the world like a iron. That's why I try to change my ways and try to do it. You ever follow the orders right now. Because when Jesus come back, you know, Jesus don't pet and pump, you know. You see, back in the days, man, he used to deal with man seriously. Eye for an eye and tooth for a tooth. Stone man to death and all them sitting there. And that I prepare for. We can talk on and on and on and on. So no pastor and no politician can't brainwash me. Because I know. Because the greatest book I ever read. I mean, I read it 1 time, not 2 times, not 3 times. I read it over and over from Genesis to Revelation. And not the Bible. And there's a God word there. No matter who they say write it and who they say this and that. Because there's no loving person on earth. But try the earth. You don't see it. More than Jesus. The word is love. The word is love. They are right to them. I know how long this I want to go to, but when I can't watch it and I can't listen to it. Because people they call me, you know. And they tell me if I start get things in because they love me and go on with, you know. People they call me, no people overseas, some people call me, I not even know them. And I say I go try for those content of the works. I not do it for money, get money from YouTube. Okay, if you notice, I'm not begging nobody to subscribe to me thing. Who want to subscribe. I'm not begging no subscription, you know. Because I know if YouTube soon block me because of the copyright thing. Because when they make a video, I no mute no music, you know see. If me have video and music in the background, I go back and edit it out. Because I love music. I just love music. So music in my thing. So probably the thing will stop because of music tonight. That's how you go. At least my message spread for your time and people hear and people know who me is. People know who me is. A man who believes every man can know his brothers and sisters. So politics and pastor people and religion can't separate me from my brothers and my sister. Because I say, man, I see my brother. I mean, I'm bad mind man because he live in a big house and drive and have the prettiest girl and I drive big car. No, I don't do that. I hold me one until I can have them myself. As I say, the word is love. Yeah, man, I'm going to post up this now. Do one about the basketball court beside the bike school there, play field. I'm going to post up that too. So I'm going to build back on easy. And this word is just love. Just love. And I say, big up baby Patta. We need to rally behind baby Patta and the youth of Nib. Because playgrounds can't too much with them local youth. Them talent and a sports god, you know. Because sports can unify people. Yeah, man, the devil trying thing. We need to try to separate. When keep us away from gathering, from sports, 6 feet apart and all them sitting within COVID thing. And mash down sports, mash down entertainment for 2 years. I mean, say them come back with it again, you know. In a 2025, you know. Something for the words again, you know. But people strong up and now and know certain things. I wish every man long life. Why should I take a man life? Eh? Nah, man, you can't do them things better. Every man have a right to live better and live him life. Don't put your basket where you can't reach it. And somehow, no, Jesus say you always have a poor with you. You always have a poor. You can't stop poverty. And you cannot stop poverty. Poverty is not no crime and no sin. Poverty is just a condition. That's how things go because everybody now go equal upon certain level. That's how the earth set up. Man brighter than man. That's how you go. So for all the bright people, they help out the owner bright. And find you have to work your way through the condition because you can't believe in them man, you believe in God. and you can live comfortable in earth. If you can build a big house, you can live in a comfortable in a way you can afford to have. Don't bad mind and grudge a man because certain things, because you don't know him come by it. As simple as that. So me can talk on and on, me can preach and all them sitting there now. But we keep my circle small. And I draw closer to my God. Because I don't want be in one chat group, you know. And I come out of a chat group. Yeah man. Because I'm in a chat group. And I send a voice note to a bird to a little baller. And then take out the chat, the voice note, come out of the group and reach Rambo. And this so, you know see it. And Rambo diss me, try to diss me, and God bring him down. After the time I tell people, after the time I draw closer to God. And say God fight me battles them. All during COVID time, when I go through COVID time, I'm draw close to God more. And so I know the people evil us and so forth. So I just keep the circle small. More time I go see me alone. From Big Ben, I ride through Falmouth. Come and tell people my business. So everything said. I wish test all the best today. I sign off and say, I feel proud yesterday. I'm going to start to look at video, action video like Islam media. I wish states all the best today. Because states should win every Dakar Cup. From 2012 until now because the facilities there. Because if Jerry have the facilities what Brambo have and Nib. Because right now, yesterday we in a fall and people went up and down with the umbrella. Them things should not take place. When we in a fall stage, people just get on the pavilion and watch ball game. When we there Nib, people take with themselves on the field. Because nothing did fit Nib. Nib not on dormitory, nothing at all, but look at the boy ma play ball. Suppose they have in dormitory and be program like what states have. Eh? That's how you think. The word is love. We can talk on and on and on. The word is love, you hear me? This is good at the last post you look over. I mean, this is good at the last post, I will post. If you know. Because sometimes, I just live my life here, brother. And live to see Jesus. I don't want to see want to see nobody. Just Jesus I want to live to see. Big up my kids and big up my family. But when I say I don't want to see nobody, I love my family, I love my kids and so forth. You know. But when you come on to earth, but actually I want to live to see the Son of God. He want to live for. So I don't make nobody trick me if you go kill my brother and my sister if you live in a castle and drive big car. If you live in a castle and drive big car, I buy the work come here, the picture work come here. So everything set. The word is love. I'm going to sign out now. As according to Bob Marley, the father of Kimani Marley. Kimani Marley who want to build a sports complex of Falmouth. I don't stop say so. For the youths of Falmouth. Kimani Marley want to build it and no one can build it. And Falmouth Youth Center turn into coal mine, place of mad people and cow pasture. Big up yourself, Bob Marley. I see him in time a few times he used to prosecute you, then try to assassinate you. You know, see it. But in time I got take you, you know. I know before you left earth, you know. I know you reconcile the soul to God, you know, because most of your songs them you quote from the Son of God. Well, it might seem different, you know, as Selassie, you know, on a certain levels, you know, but the same words on a quote. Because of Babylon system. You see it? Because my favorite Bob Marley song, you know, the Babylon system is a vampire. You see it? Building church and university. You see it? Graduating what? Thieves and murderers. Because thieves and murderers come out of the university nowadays. And Bob Marley, you see it? And my favorite Bob Marley song that. Yeah man, the same Bob Marley one of the promoting the tourism thing. I pay a fight him get when he was alive. You know, see it. I be say the man don't believe in the politics, but Bob Marley was a supporter of Michael Manley. I'm out.